Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Loops versus Nova. Loops primarily focuses on customer engagement through automated marketing campaigns, while Nova excels in unifying and analyzing vast amounts of customer data. We'll explore their distinct functionalities, helping you understand which platform best suits your business needs for reaching and understanding your audience. This comparison will highlight their core strengths and ideal applications, guiding your decision-making process. Loops is a powerful tool for direct customer communication, specializing in email marketing, push notifications, and in-app messages. It allows businesses to create highly personalized customer journeys, segmenting audiences into hundreds of distinct groups based on behavior. With robust A/B testing and detailed analytics, you can optimize your campaigns for maximum impact, ensuring your messages resonate effectively with each individual recipient, driving engagement and conversions. Nova, on the other hand, is a sophisticated customer data platform designed to consolidate all your customer information into a single, unified profile. It collects data from dozens of sources, resolving identities to provide a comprehensive view of each customer. This platform offers advanced analytics, predictive modeling, and machine learning capabilities, enabling businesses to uncover deep insights and anticipate future customer behaviors with remarkable accuracy. Choosing between Loops and Nova depends on your primary objective. If your goal is to actively engage customers through automated, personalized marketing campaigns, Loops is likely your ideal solution. However, if you need to unify disparate customer data, gain profound insights, and build a holistic understanding of your audience, Nova stands out. Many businesses find combining both platforms offers a truly comprehensive strategy, maximizing both engagement and data intelligence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.